In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload YouTube videos from your phone. So the very first thing we need to do is just head over to the App Store and you need to go and search for YouTube Studio and press search, and make sure to download and install the official YouTube Studio. Now this is slightly different from the YouTube app. This basically allows you to see all of your analytics, and you can also publish videos directly from this app. So once you've finished installing it, just press open, and then what we can do is click on the plus icon in the top navigation. You can then go and select the video that you want to upload to YouTube. And the first thing we need to do is create a title for our video. Now the title is really important as other people are going to be able to see this on YouTube. You will also need to add a description as well, and this just needs to explain what your video is about. Now you can choose to add a location. This isn't necessary, so I'm going to skip this. You can decide whether you want to leave the comments on or off for your video. Now once you've done this, scroll back up to the top and click on the gallery icon in the top left hand side. And this is where you'll need to upload a thumbnail for your video. Now this is really important, as if you don't upload your own custom thumbnail, it's just going to take a random screenshot from your video. So it is always best to go and upload your own thumbnail. So you can just press change in the bottom left hand side and then go and select the photo that you want to upload. We can then press next in the top right hand side. Select whether your video is made for kids or not. Typically this is going to be no, it's not made for kids unless your content specifically targeting children. Now once you've filled out all of these steps, you can just go ahead and press upload video, and then you'll just need to wait while this uploads. Now once your video is finished uploading, we now need to go and publish it to the platform. So if you click on these three vertical dots next to your video, you can then press edit. Now what you need to do is click on visibility, and you need to make sure this is set to public, and that means other people on YouTube are going to be able to find and watch your video. So once you've done that, you can just press save in the top right hand side, and that's how you go and publish YouTube videos straight from your phone. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.